What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Natalia, also known as Chef Rudakova, and here's what we're gonna cook today. As you know, on this channel, we dive deep into the topic of food and gastronomy. We learn and test out different modern culinary techniques, and we explore new ingredients, sometimes molecular ingredients. And in this video, we're going to do a little bit of everything. We're going to check out a new ingredient for us, Carrageenan, and I'm talking about both Kappa and Iota Carrageenans, and we're going to prepare a dish, a molecular modern instant silken tofu, to illustrate how these ingredients affect products when they're cooked. So first, let's prepare our modernistic tofu, and then I'm going to show you what I did for the plating and other accompanying ingredients. If you watched my previous video, you would know that in order to make silken tofu, first we need to make homemade soy milk. So that's what we're gonna start now. Now that our homemade soy milk is ready, we would usually use some kind of coagulating agent to let the milk set to the silken tofu condition, such as Nigari or Gypsum. However, in this situation, we're going to use our new ingredients. We're going to use a combination of Kappa Carrageenan and Iota Carrageenan to set our tofu. And I would say they would give exactly the same texture and taste of our end product as the previous two ingredients. So in order to do that, we're going to blend this ingredient in our homemade soy milk, then bring the temperature up to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, then mold them in the molds of your choice and let them set for about half an hour. So our main ingredient for our dish is ready. Our silken tofu is getting set. And now I'm going to tell you what I did for the plating. When I was trying to research and think how I want to do my plating, I was checking out different inspirational photos on social media and on the web of how people usually plate their silken tofu. And quite frankly, they are quite boring. So what I did instead, I thought to myself, okay, what do you usually serve silken tofu with? And quite often it's a very spicy and sweet umami sauce, and often it's served with some chives. And for the sauce, people usually use a combination of soy sauce, chili oil, honey, and a little bit of sesame oil. So I took this flavor combination as the main idea for my plating, and here is what I did. For the mildly sweet part, I've made a little dome to cover our tofu with, using one of my recently discovered but now one of my favorite ingredients, isomold. And you can check out video here to learn more about isomold. And I decorated it with some twisted chives, which are very easy to do. If you slice chives thinly and put them in ice cold water, they start to twist. And I sprinkled a little bit of sesame seeds and cumin seeds to introduce more colors to the plate. And then for the umami taste and spicy tastes, I covered the whole thing with soy sauce, chili oil, and sesame oil. And for today that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about the dish itself and the plating. And I'll see you in the next video.
I don't want it lonely. I don't want it lonely. I don't want it lonely. I don't want it. Someday my prince will come, but if this ain't lovely, cover me in colors I can only you.